Welcome guys, welcome to Sports and Life YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about AB de Villiers. Today my heart cries to say that the legend has retired from cricket, and it's a great loss for cricket as well as RCB fan. Myself as an RCB fan, I have gone for many of the matches where AB de Villiers has shown his brilliance. So there can't be any player who has matched AB de Villiers till day. Uh, in any format, he has lot of records, but his great game presence and his ability to win matches from places where we can't win matches is second to none. So he can win matches single-handedly. To talk about AB de Villiers, of course there is lot of thing, but firstly let us see what are his records in cricket. So till day he is the only batsman who has scored more than 50 runs as an average, and with more than 100 run strike rate in ODI. He has redefined the ODI cricket. So uh, apart from that, he has scored more than 9,000 runs is what we need to appreciate about. He's only player who has won three ICC International Cricketer of the Year. So this is shared along with Virat Kohli right now. Uh, so he's among the top. So he's the batsman who has scored fastest 50 runs, as well as this was in Johannesburg against West Indies, and in the same match he has scored the fastest 100, and he has scored fastest 150 runs, which was in 47 balls. So these are a few of his records which needs to be noted. And he his first duck was in an international match, came after 78 innings. So this is also one record which he holds. He was a huge six hitter. uh, so he has hit around 328 six in international cricket, which is seventh highest in international cricket. And he has also hit lot of boundaries, which is 1207 boundaries, which is also a huge amount. He has scored more than 2000 runs for in cricket. As an RCB fan, he has been with us for more than um 10 years. So in 2011 when he was auctioned, I was very happy. Uh, for my personal friend, if you ask me, I was liking AB de Villiers from 2009. So when he was in Daredevils was one of the team which I used to support a lot, only because there was AB de Villiers. He also has a lot of fan following in India, and this kind of fan following could not be replicated to any other foreign cricketer in India. Even Indian cricket fans need to be jealous of this guy. He scores at very big pace. The reason why he gets so much of appreciation and fan following is that he's such a kind of gentleman in his sports. So that's one of the reason why he gets so much of appreciation each and every time. To come These were few of his achievement. uh, to summarize, like where he was born, what kind of player he was, where he did he start his cricketing career. uh, he started his cricketing career in South Africa, but he was born in February 17, 1984. So in this particular year he was born, and he was selected for under 19s of multiple sports. Along with that, he was selected as South African under 19 team in cricket as well. So he started and debuted for Northerners initially in South Africa. Later, he was selected for Titans. He was so good that they noticed his talent when he was in under 19 itself, under 19 days. So he was doing wicketkeeper as well. So once Mark Boucher started retiring, um De Villiers got most of his chances over there, and he was with the South African team throughout that, and he was very good with his fielding ability as well. So he used to be either as a wicket keeper, or he used to be a slip keeper, slips along with the keepers. I'm sorry, I'm a little emotional right now. So once he was selected from 2006, he was a consistent player with South Africa. He had scored a lot of good innings, and he started gaining a lot of attention. He scored one of the double hundreds against India in 2008. This was very notable innings of AB de Villiers, and he that's when I started recognizing him as a player as well, and I started loving him as a player, as a person. He started the way he used to hit the cricket ball was really awesome, and after that, he was selected for Delhi Daredevils in following season. Definitely, that is one of the best innings. Along with that, in 2011, when he was playing for South Africa, he in the World Cup he scored 100 against India. So that was one of the best innings which I have ever seen. India hadn't lost against any of the team, but they started losing. They lost against South Africa quite convincingly. One of the reason was his. One of the reason was AB de Villiers and his ability to make runs very briskly. So those were a few of them. Along with that, if you see in 2015 World Cup also, they were heartbroken by New Zealand. So that time AB de Villiers had broken out his tears. So that is one of the heartbreaking moments of cricketing history. Uh, Coming to IPL, he has been performing exceptionally well. He has been given a lot of nicknames by his fans. So few of them, namely the Alien, ABD, Mr. 360, Superman, um, Freak. So these are the few things people like to call him. Let us go and see his stats. Uh, so looking at his stats, first let me cover bowling because batting may take a lot of time. So ABD wanted to bowl only when his team was left short with few of the all-rounders. So in 2015, when they were short with few of the all-rounders and they needed extra batsmen, he started bowling. So he was bowling gentle medium. So again, his stats doesn't look that bad in bowling, but when we come to batting, he's in his own league. Average more than 15 test. Along with that, he has more than 8,000 runs over there, and a lot of match winning innings. I have seen innings where AB has scored only 30 runs in 300 balls. So a person who can score 30 in 300 balls looks like he doesn't hit the cricket ball well. So but if you go and see his other records, like in one days, just look at that record: 53 average along with the 101 strike rate. None of them have this in this modern era where bats are really good. Those were eras where they used to chase only 250. That time AB de Villiers used to bat deep down the order. That time he used to do it with ease. So these were some things which was really exceptional. Only stat which may show that he is not that good was his T20 records. That is in international, 26 average, 135. It could be good for some other player, but not AB de Villiers. Coming to IPL average, he has mostly played his maximum of his career in RCB. So his average is around 40. and strike rate more than 150. I don't think any of the player except for Chris Gale have this, but Chris Gale plays in per play overs, where there will be field restriction. There is not even a single player who can average around 40 and with a strike rate of 150 in IPL. So that's the reason he stands out. Even the average was more than 40. The last few innings he was not able to score that much. That's the reason why you can see the dip in his scores. So these are few things about AB de Villiers, but there is more about AB de Villiers. Whenever we used to go to matches where we used to go for C stand. So C stand is where he used to be there. If you call his name, he used to always respond back to the crowd. I don't think how RCB fans are going to fill his spot, and I don't think there is none other player to fill his spot. Unfortunately, I personally, even if he wasn't playing well, I always wanted AB de Villiers to be retained by RCB no matter what. We were able to afford a caliber of AB de Villiers, even if he was not making us win each and every match. He had that caliber of making us win at least 4 matches per season on his own. This was on his own. The teams which score really high, if only one person who can save the match was AB de Villiers. Till AB de Villiers bats, I don't think RCB used to lose. Uh, so these are few things about AB de Villiers. Um, as an RCB fan, at last I will say a call in Kannada. ಯಾರೇ ಆಡಿದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿವಿಲಿಯರ್ ಥರ ಆಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿವಿಲಿಯರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಚು ಮುಗೀತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. 21 ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೋಟಲಲ್ಲಿ. 21 ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಎರಡು ಸತಿ ಅವರು ಔಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಸೋತಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ಗಳು. ಇನ್ನು 19 ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳು ವಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ಗಳೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿ ವಿಲಿಯರ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ನನಗೆ ವಿರಾಟ್ಗಿಂತ ತುಂಬ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿ ವಿಲಿಯರ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2009 ನಂದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿ ವಿಲಿಯರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿ ವಿಲಿಯರ್ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಯಾರೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್. ಮೊದಲೇ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಂಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಬಿಗರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ even A B de Villiers is not going to be there with the team. So RCB has to somehow withstand all this. They have to go through this change where there is a transition from one player to next player. So I personally felt ABD might have played for next 3 years with RCB, or at least for next couple of years. I just wanted a cup so that he's one kind of player whom we regret that he hasn't got cup, maybe for his nation or maybe for his country. So this is AB de Villiers for you, and it's really heartbreaking that I'm making this video. And but anyway, AB de Villiers, from my deep down from my heart, I would like to thank you for all the happiness that you gave. I can put few of the videos where you have treated us like anything. So I'll just put that video before and then start this particular video, or I'll put it at the last. So I have been treated you. My heart has been filled with lot of happiness whenever you have played in. Even if you were not hitting the ball, even if you were just present, there used to be very good vibes. So thanks AB de Villiers, and best of luck for future.